Hi everyone, welcome to the Cloud Institution. Cloud Institution is the best institution in the Bangalore. In the previous video, we have seen the what is the pull request. So in this video, we are going to see the what is the Git Fetch. Okay, so to understand what is the Git Fetch, okay, so this Git Fetch will help us to uh, get the whatever the changes has done from the GitHub into our local system. Okay, that is like it will not directly comes to your um, local system. It will comes to directly to your Git repo. Okay, so what is the command means? We have to use the Git fetch. To understand about the Git fetch, we will see with the practical scenario. Now, let's say with the practical scenario. So I have opened already my Git tutorial repository. So in this, if I want, for example, someone has made a modification, okay, so they have pushed into the GitHub means now I want to get the or whatever the modification from the GitHub into our local system means I can use the Git fetch. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll use the Git fetch. If there is any changes in the GitHub means it will directly comes to local repository means where it will be coming means so let me go through the paint to make you understand. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. So let me open the paint. Okay. So now this is your GitHub. Okay. So someone has made a modification means okay GitHub. So someone has made a modification in your repo means okay. So now I want it in my local system. Okay, I want it in my local system. Okay, so if I want it in my local system means so I can go with the Git fetch also. What happens if I use the Git fetch means it will not directly comes to your local system. So it will comes to the what your .git folder, that is local repo. Okay, so it will comes to the .git folder. So now from here to .git folder, I want it to local means I have to use the what git merge. Okay, so git merge. So when I use the git fetch, it came into your .git folder. Okay, so now I want it in my local system means I have to use the what git merge. So this is how it will go for. Okay, so now let's see. So it is in my local repository. Okay, local repository, not in a local system. So it is in a local repository, that is in the .git folder. Okay, so now if you want to see cat demo.py or any changes is done, so that is what, how can we see? Here you can see that print A is there. So now let's see git merge. If I use that git merge, so because there is a 2 lines has added. Okay, so you can see the cat demo.py. So here there are 2 lines is added. So this is how it will work the what git fetch. So it will comes to your .git folder first. Then if you have to add the git merge to add the whatever the files are there. Okay. So means whatever the changes has done in the files. If you want to get it in your local system means you have to use the git merge. If you use the git fetch. I hope this video is understandable. Like for the what is the git fetch and how it is working. Okay, in the next video we will see what is the difference between the git fetch and the git pull. Okay, so until then stay tuned for the next video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. If you have any doubts on the this git fetch, comment it out and share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.